miss my mom, I miss my dad, miss the road, I miss my band, giving hugs and shaking hands. It's a mystery, I suppose, just how long this thing goes. There'll be crowds and there'll be shows. There will be light after dark, someday when we aren't 6 feet apart. Hey everyone, I'm going to teach you how to play this song that was requested by my mom. So I thought I would teach it to everybody. So this is 6 Feet Apart by Luke Combs. As you know, it's a really great song that he released during all the COVID stuff, obviously. So it's tuned to half step down, and it's not a hard song at all to play. Like, it's super easy. So and you don't need a capo with it or anything. So that's really good. All right, so thank you so much for everyone who's been subscribing lately. Seriously, I love it. I really appreciate it. And everyone who's been hitting like and commenting, I really do appreciate it. Keep the requests coming. Let me know if you have other songs you want me to teach. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe and like so you get notified when I come out with new tutorials, all right? So let's do this thing. So you're going to start this song. Let me get back to my beginning of my notes. You're going to start the song with G, okay? And it's easier if you do this G, okay? So you're going to do G. Then you're going to do D suspended 4 over F sharp, okay? Sounds crazy. We're just going to call it D suspended for brevity's sake, okay? So then what you're going to do is you're going to keep those 2 fingers there just like you do in G, so you know, both on the 3rd fret on the B and the little E strings, and then you're just going to put this finger, your pointer finger, all right, up on the 2nd fret on the E string, okay? Okay? So that sounds terrible because I'm trying to get my middle finger out of the way. So you just lift that finger up. Okay, so that's why it's dun dun dun. Okay, so you hear that? All right, dun, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so for the intro, you just do that back and forth. You just do G, D suspended 4 over F sharp, G, D suspended, okay? So that's what you're gonna do for the intro. You can just do it like probably 2 or 3 times where you alternate. So you go G, okay, then when you start the song, you're going to start doing that same thing, all right? And you're actually going to play it twice at the beginning, in the verse, okay? You're going to go, so you're going to do the same strumming pattern, but it's just going to be like softer, okay? So it's, so G, when the dog, so on dogwoods, all right? You go to D, the D suspended, okay? So it's G, when the dogwoods start to bloom, okay? So dogwoods is D suspended, so G, when the dogwoods start to bloom. Okay, then you go to G. And the crickets. Okay, so crickets is D suspended again. Crickets hum their tune. Okay, then you go to C add 9. It's usually. Okay, then you go to A minor on usually. So it's C add 9. It's usually. Kind of like halfway through usually. Usually about that time. Okay, then C is where you're going to do time. Time that I feel. Okay, feel, that I feel is where you're going to do A minor. That I feel most alive. Okay, alive is where you do G. Alive. Okay, and you're just going to repeat that. So you're going to do the same thing like where the verse continues, okay? So you're going to, I feel most alive. But the news would be D suspended. News has all been bad. Bad is G, okay? Bad. And the world is D suspended. World seems so sad. Okay, then sad is where you do C add 9. Sad. And I ain't had much. Much is where you do A minor. Much else going on. On a C. On. I don't have a country accent, so I don't know how to say it like that. But on. So I sat down. Down is where you do A minor. Down and wrote this song. Song is G, okay, then you go G. I miss my mom. So then you go to, C add 9, so it's C add 9. Miss my mom, I miss my dad. Okay, so in the chorus, you're gonna do, on dad is where you do D suspended. Dad, miss the road, I my band. Okay, band is G, band. Giving hugs. Hugs is D suspended. Hugs and shaking. Then you're gonna do E minor. Hands, E minor on hands, okay? Hands. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so C at 9. It's a mystery, I suppose. Okay, suppose is where you do D suspended. Again, suppose just how long this thing goes. Goes is G, goes. There'll be crowds. So crowds is D suspended. Crowds, and there'll be shows. Shows is E minor. Shows. Okay, then you go into C add 9. You go, there will be light after dark. Someday. Okay, someday is where you do D suspended. Someday when we aren't 6 feet apart. Apart is G, okay? So then you're just gonna do the D suspended in the instrumental in between, D suspended, G. So you're gonna, some apart, G, D suspended, G, D suspended. Then you go back into the verse. First thing that I'm gonna do. Okay, so you do that. Now I'm gonna focus a little bit on the strumming pattern because I didn't go over that too much in depth in the beginning, so let's just go over that real quick. So you're gonna do down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so that's for the intro. So then when you're in the verse, you're gonna do when the dogwood start to bloom. So you're just doing the same thing over and over here. You're just going down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So you're just doing down, down, up. Okay, so when the dog, let's see, sorry. When the dog, okay, dogwoods. When the dogwoods start to bloom. So down, down, up, down, up, 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 okay? And then down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So let's see. It's usually about the time. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay. So you're just going to kind of do that same thing, but you're going to be you will be switching the chords a little bit more in that C add 9 A minor C part. Okay. So it's usually, see, that's where you do it. Down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, 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 up. So it's C add 9. It's usually about that time. Okay, so you're just switching faster, all right? It's usually about that time that I feel most alive. Okay, so that's how you do it. That's a strumming pattern and everything. All right, so there's no bridge in this song. It just goes like into another verse. So the instrumental, you'll just always do that G. So you go to so I guess after the second time you play the chorus, you'll go D suspended, E minor, C at 9. Okay. Miss my mom, I miss my dad, miss the road. So for the chorus, you'll go C add 9, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so it's just that down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so you're just gonna do that for pretty much the whole song. All right, let me know if you guys have any comments or questions or anything, or requests for other songs. I'm more than happy to try and accommodate. So thanks so much for watching. It's been a lot of fun. I'll see you guys next time.